What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys can hear me with the car in the background. But we actually are heading up to a car meet right now with a few of my friends, and we might actually meet up with Alext SVT a little bit later on in the day. But I just want to show you guys both cars. Got the Kia right there, and as well as the Mustang. We are, of course, taking the Mustang today. It's very cold, so the car should be acting 100% today. It's a little wet. But that shouldn't really bother us. It looks like it's dried up already, but I just hope it doesn't rain. Because if it does rain, then I won't be going all the way to Fresno, because that is about an hour drive, and I don't want to be stranded over there if it rains. Because of course you can't really drive on slicks in the rain. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go meet up with some friends right now. Hope you guys can still hear me behind the car. But yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, just met up with a few of the Mustang guys. Still waiting on a few more CT SVT and other cars. But we should be heading out pretty soon, get some good footage on the freeway for you guys. Don't think there's not going to be any much racing, since everybody knows that my car is faster than none, I guess, in the group. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll probably catch them racing or something. Mr. Hershey showing up.
Alright, I hope he's coming. She said he's heavy over here. There you go. These things are badass.
That's exactly what I want. Especially in this color too as well. That's exactly what I want it.
Straight trade right now, Danny?
Straight trade? Shoot, in a heartbeat.
It's really hard to lower. It's already done.
It's got the carbon fiber top too as well.
Yeah.
People, what they do, they put bigger wheels.
I have the bigger fenders. Head one? Oh my.
I just had to fix this to my brother.
Okay. Still choose the ZR1 though.
And only the front one, the back one's not bad.
Actually, I think that's camera one.
You don't see no.
Static life. Thought that was an RS3 for a second, but it's not. There goes that beauty. Garbage? Not garbage. Garbage? Not garbage.
Yeah, he got arrested.
Damn, first C8 at the meet.
All the cars, because the cars don't go after those cars. But if we go in the Mustang, they'll go after us.
Mopar or no car? Should have stayed with no car. Finally, after like what, a whole year?
Oh yeah, welcome back to Danny's vlog, guys. So it's been a little while, but we finally made an appearance, and let's go show him Mr. One Hand's car. I'll do a review on your car right now.
Okay.
Well, this car, if you guys don't know, I'll link it in the description, or Danny will, maybe. We had a video, probably like what, 2 years ago now, right?
About 2 years ago.
2 years ago now. And we had, same setup, no?
Same setup?
But the head gasket.
I don't think it was 2 years. I think it was like a year and a half.
Year and a half, maybe.
Yeah.
No, it was 2 years ago, because it was 2019.
It was?
Yeah, so
well, we're 2021, so technically not 2 years.
2021.
It wasn't beginning of 2019.
Okay, well, long story short, it was a little while ago. But, guys, tell him not to sell it, okay? If you're planning on selling it,
it's going bye-bye.
he needs to keep it, I think. Comment down below. I think he should, well, I think he should keep it, or if he sells it, GT500. There you go.
I can't afford that.
What do you mean? If you sold the car?
Just 2 alternators. into a CHP officer on the freeway after we did some pulls. He flew by us. I don't think he knew it was us, but our radar detectors are going off like crazy. But who knew? It's freaking CHP out here in Mexico. But he's out of his jurisdiction. He can't really pull us over. But we're actually heading on to another E85 station here in Mexico. So we're gonna hop on the freeway and make a long journey over there. We do have the 1,000 horsepower car with us too as well. He's right behind me. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when we hit the freeway. Crazy. That car is making 1077 to the wheels on map 3. He's on map 1 right now, making only around 800. So that thing's not even on kill mode yet. That thing is just pushy. Oh, we got Mr. SVT right here. Are they another? Okay. That's a close one, guys. That's a Charger. The CHP was literally right in front of us as soon as he did that little pull right there. And he's going straight, not catching up to us. Fuck! Crazy! Look, exactly how he told you. And it was the girl this girl was passing us and tailgating us, and she got stopped. Let's go. She was at least going 90 miles per hour. We're doing speed limit though, as you can see, we're doing 70 miles per hour. So you know, we're in the clear. Today, guys, can't really have that much fun. There's a lot of Mexican police out here on the freeway, so I'm just gonna call it, or we're probably just cruise now. We're probably gonna meet up at the 85 station real quick and go get some 85 again, and then go get some food, and that should probably be the end of the video. It is really hot. Haven't really been able to let the cars loose. I did just race that other 10R80 Mustang, but he's on his lowest boost setting. He's not on kill mode. If he's on kill mode, he will destroy me with that 1,000 horsepower. He just gave me a thumbs up. But yeah, he's on his map 1, and that's only like low 800s. I'm 813. So when he's on his kill mode, he's over 1,000. So that thing's crazy. So, but yeah, we'll catch you guys as soon as we get to the 85 station. We got Mr. Alext SVT behind me, or in front of me, and then I got my buddy behind me, and then we got Mad Max in the front, and as well as the 10R80 Mustang that's right over here to the left. But I'll catch you guys in a bit. Right next to us. spot. That way we can fill up on the 85. It's kind of the halfway point. I go the other way and they go the other way. Because I live a lot more down south than they do, so they need to head back to Fresno. Love my car. It's so fun when it does that. Alright, Mr. Alex, end the video for us.
Okay guys, so Danny's gonna wrap up the video for you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to him, go subscribe to him. Stay tuned on his channel. He's gonna have a lot of cool stuff. And catch you guys in a bit. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace.